In today's video, we are going to show you how to prioritize your Google tasks so you can stay organized, focused, and get things done efficiently. Let's begin. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is going to be going to the task itself. Now, here in Google Tasks, you have the plus button on the top left corner, or you can simply use this to add a task. It's up to you. But for now, we're going to use this. Maybe you want to create a title, and then for you to make sure that you are creating a priority, you might want to put in a date for this specific task. If it's going to be today, the dated task will be seamlessly connected to your Google Calendar. Makes it a priority. It gives you a sense of urgency. And then, for example, if you have so many tasks, for example, let's say this is going to be a priority 6. You have that, and another priority 9. So basically, you can simply drag which is going to be the most pressing matter for the task. Okay? You can simply hover, put it down on the very top. So that means you are prioritizing the specific tasks here in Google. That's one way. Another option is by going to the Google Mail or Gmail. In the Gmail, you just have to hover to the right side panel of our dashboard. You see there is going to be the task. You see that? Tasks. So you have an access to the Google Tasks without leaving Gmails if you are working seamlessly for both Gmail and Tasks. And again, remember, we have the ability to add a task here, put in a specific task. You can set a date and time. Okay, so let's say, for example, it's going to be like for tomorrow, and then you have also an option tomorrow. Set the time if you want. For example, that's going to be on 12 maybe. If you want to repeat that priority task, you can do so. And then you can set the duration. It's up to you. And then for you to be able to make it highly urgent, prioritized task, you might want to click the add to start. It's that simple. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.